Basahin ko sa inyo yung chapter 1 nitong The Power of Now. Ito yung chapter 1. You are not your mind, sabi. The greatest obstacle to enlightenment. Enlightenment, what is that? A beggar had been sitting by the side of a road for over 30 years. One day, a stranger walked by. "Spare some change?" mumbled the beggar, mechanically holding out this old baseball cap. "I have nothing to give you," said the stranger. Then he asked, "What's that you are sitting on?" "Nothing," replied the beggar. "Just an old box. I had been sitting on it for as long as I can remember." Sa Tagalogin ko na nga lang. Basta parang mayroon daw pulube. May pulube sa gilid ng daan na nakaupo sa isang box, parang ganun. Nakaupo sa isang box. Tapos may napadaang stranger, sabi. Sabi nung pulube, "Meron ka bang barya dyan?" Parang ganun. Sabi nung stranger, "Ay, wala eh. Wala akong wala akong pera eh." "Pero tiningnan mo na ba yung inuupuang box dyan kung anong laman?" Sabi nung stranger. Sabi naman ng pulubi, "Matagal ko na tong inuupuan eh. Hindi ko tinitingnan. Wala naman laman to." Parang ganun, sabi nung pulubi. Sabi, "Baka pwede natin tignan," sabi nung stranger. "Tara, tingnan natin." Binuksan niya yung box. Punong-puno ng ginto. Puro ginto pala yung laman ng box. Biruin mo, 30 years niya nang inuupuan yung box, pero nanlili mo siya ng barya. Parang ganun yung gustong gustong sabihin dito eh. Pinuksan nila yung box, tapos punong-puno ng ginto. Parang yun yung moral lesson ng parable na nanlilimos tayo ng barya sa kung saan, pero never natin tiningnan yung inside natin. Parang gano'n, yung inside yourself. I am the stranger who has nothing to give you, and who is telling you to look inside. Not inside any box as in the parable, but somewhere even closer, inside yourself. "But I am not a beggar," I can hear you say. Basahin ito, interesting to. Basta magulo lang akong magkwento. Basahin nyo na lang to ang solid to, guys.